So when we talk about growth and what we're looking at over the next couple of years, Jedox has been a critical part of looking at scalability. Coming from a background of working exclusively in Excel sheets, one of the biggest challenges that we would see is, we're growing as an organization, we're learning more about the company, trying to develop and learn more about our drivers. And so a lot of the questions that we would receive required hours of splicing and building out different sheets just to see data in a slightly different way. Obviously, you have your typical issue. It's very time consuming. We're prone to mistakes, right? When you have human touch involved. And so it was a huge time factor, big time suck, and also kind of builds inaccuracies over time into our process. I think as one of the biggest pain points was just not having that flexibility of being able to look at and develop, our P&L in different ways. Integrations was a really key focus for our company at Americas. Internal IT, obviously we had a lot of concerns about security, making sure that things were set up appropriately. Let's not put any of our data at risk. Historically, our accounting controllers had to wait for the controller to release the most updated version of the spreadsheet in order to kind of see where they were at and go through, start making adjustments. Whereas now, utilizing Jedox for our reporting, we've been able to set up more frequent cadences. I think it's been a successful integration in terms of, just getting the data comprehensively, everything coming through effectively. Jedox makes life easier in terms of just flexibility. It's been a significant time saver in terms of getting those questions and being able to immediately go and identify, look at trends, run calculations, just those ad hoc type of requests, but in our, monthly reporting process. Immediately when, you asked me this question around growth and expansion, the first place that my mind goes is on the M&A side, right? Americas, we're in a position right now of, pretty substantial growth. Where, I think last year pushed 5 acquisitions and brought on new sites, and that's not planning to slow down anytime soon. Jedox has been a critical part of looking at scalability.